misunderstood. Oh, good job, Marshall. Oh, let's go smash it. Hey, slow down. Why did that guy do that? He's a bully. Hey guys, look at my cool fort. It took all day to build this. What's that over there? No, stop! 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 Don't want to see it, dudes. Oh no, Karen needs my help.
Paw Patrol will be there on the double whenever there's a problem.
Don't worry, Karen, I will get you down. I'm gonna try and climb on the swing get power. I need the ladder. Whoa. Hey, that's my truck. Help me! That's not nice, mister. Hey, I'm walking. Picking up trash. Snuggle with kids. Hey, stop withering. Ew, stinky sock. Mr. Dude, your days of bullying are over. Boy, I'm not a bully. You knocked over my boxes. You hit Marshall's car. You hit our net. And you littered. You are a bully. Sorry, I just want to play with somebody. Okay, let's go tell everybody you're sorry, then you can play. Okay. Hey guys, you can't be a bully because bullies are not nice to other kids. So make sure you're not a bully. Always make sure you're friendly to other kids. Bye.